Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money from personal designs. All right. So would you like to make money from just posting designs on a particular platform? I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get started on this platform. All right. So let me go over to the website. The name of the website is called Teespring. So on Teespring, you have opportunity to create different designs on this platform. All right. So it's a print on demand website where you have opportunity to create designs and you can make a lot of money from this platform. All right. And one thing I like about Teespring is that you can create designs all for free. And once you create the design, the platform is going to sell those designs either on merchandise or they are on clothes, on shoes, on apparels and stuff like that. So they are going to market it, and once a customer purchase, you are going to get an interest on the platform. All right. And you are the one that is going to set a price on how much you want to sell your merchandise. All right. So you can see different bestsellers. You can see this is a design that it was designed by a user of this platform. All right. So it's a very good way to make money. All right. So this is a design that was designed by a user. So you can see different colors of the same design. You can see this is a hoodie and they are very, very lovely. And so you can take advantage by coming over and registering on Teespring. All right. So let me show you how you can get the best selling products on Teespring. All right. So I'm going to type what are the best selling products on Teespring. All right, so let's click on this. All right, so you can see they said the best selling products on Teespring are, they say, customized t-shirt, personalized shirts remain a staple, especially those marking significant milestone like birthday, 21st birthday, birthday year. So that means you can create birthday related t-shirts, caps and so on. All right. So once you create stuff like this, you are going to make money. All right. Home decorations, products such as free blankets and pillow have gained popularity, catering to the growing interest in home decors. All right. So once you create products like this, you are going to make a lot of money. All right. Then all over print apparel, items like all over print tees and zip up hoodies are trending, allowing for creatives and unique designs. All right. So once you create stuff like this, you are going to make a lot of sales. All right. Accessories, customized phone case and tote bags are also among the popular products, offering practical and personalized options for buyers. All right. So we all know that most people buy phone cases, so you can easily create a phone case in your own design and you can sell it on Teespring to make money. All right. So you can see success on Teespring often hinders on tapping into specific niches and creating design that resonates emotionally with targeted audience. For instance, design tailored to particular hobbies or interests can foster a sense of personal connection, encouraging purchases. All right. So just go over and start creating. So you can go over and see other creators, what they've been able to do. So you can see this is a product on science. All right, so you can see these are products on science, different products on science. So you can just check what other creators have done and you can easily sign up and start creating your merchandise. All right, so it's so easy to sign up. So once you want to sign up, you go over to start designing. All right, so you are going to create a brand name that resonates around what you're selling. You are going to create an email address and password. Then you verify that you are not a robot. Then you cannot sign up. All right, and how do you receive your money on this platform? You need to create a Payoneer account. All right, so once you have a Payoneer account, you can link it with your Teespring account in order for you to receive money. All right, so once you make a sale, you're going to receive an email that you just made a sale. All right, and they're going to give you an interest of whatsoever what you sold on Teespring. All right, so this is a great opportunity that is going to help you guys to make money. And just like I said, you are coming over to Teespring, registering for free, creating your designs, and posting them on the platform. So that is so easy to get started on Teespring. All right, so just go over and sign up for you to be able to have access to creating different designs. And how do you can click on shop all, so that you can see all the designs that are trending on the platform. So you can see different designs of different t-shirts. So just go over and check what other people have done and it will give you a clue of how you can create your own. All right, so this is a great opportunity, and I hope you guys, and once you take advantage of this, you are going to make a lot of money in dollars. All right, so thank you guys for staying true to the very end. If you have any question regarding this video, kindly go to the comment section. I'll be there to answer your questions. All right, and if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly click on the subscription button, turn off the notification bell, so that once I drop videos like this, you're not going to miss out on such opportunity. All right, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.